not good.
Oh. It's not on anymore.
No, it's not.
Stop. Make sure you stop.
Good morning, everyone. We are heading to my first autocross since May. I left the magnets at home. So, since I didn't want to drive a half hour back home, I bought Plastidip and stencils. This is going to be neat. All right, next stop, Lake Charles, Louisiana for Soella SCCA Autocross. My magnetic one's out. A little bleeding, but
it works.
Yeah.
The M's the worst.
Yeah. Almost passed for a military. Yeah. See, I was supposed to drive this guy's Corvette sometime today, but no. Don't want to drive it today. You act like it's on slicks or something. The guy gets me all excited. Says, "Hey, you can drive my Corvette." I'm like, "Yes!" And then August. And of course, Daniel had to schedule an event when it's raining.
I didn't make the schedule.
Yeah, he did.
I just made the course.
So, are you ready for a drift event?
Daniel says, "Hey, fast course, fun for the Corvette." I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
Hey,
Special for you.
what about the rain? Hey, I mean,
Okay, real quick, I want to get it on video. Daniel, how many times do you think the truck's going to spin today?
How many runs are you doing?
I don't know. How many are we doing?
Probably 6.
6 runs? So we got 6 out.
5 times.
5 times? 2? Okay, Chet says 2. Ernie, how many times is the truck going to spin today?
I say 3.
3? Braxton?
Once.
Once? How many times you got?
2.5.
2.5. 2.5?
you're the only one driving?
Yes.
Did I just like pick the back end up?
Pretty much, that's just like,
Even though we've got rain clouds and everything going on, the event goes on. Yes. Here's the thing. With all this wet tarmac and everything, the truck might get a little unruly because it's not like I have actual good tires for this. If you're aware of tire ratings, I'm running a 420 tread wear, which is basically an all-season tire. And that's, I mean, look at this standing water. It might actually be better for this event than some semi-slicks. Anyway, right now, I've got to go work a corner, so yay, I'm gonna have wet socks. Okay, after a torrential downpour where every part of me got wet, like, socks.
Yeah, you were the one braving the rain.
Yeah, I was holding down a tent. I was trying to be useful. Turns out ballast is about the only thing I'm good at. Anyway, finally gonna get to run. It's stopped, it's cleared up, the track is wet, but it's okay, I have all-season tires, right? It'll be fine. So, I should be able to get 6 runs in today in the truck, which is exactly 5 more runs per day than it's ever got, so I'm really excited about that.
Hopefully 5 of them aren't DNFs.
This is a tricky course, but I'm excited, so buckle up.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Daniel, how many times do you think the truck's gonna spin today? 5 times? 2, 3? Braxton?
Once.
Once?
Whoa, 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 whoa!
one spin! I really am starting to think that I'm cursed. Every time I go to run the truck, it rains. You know how hard it is to get a clean run in a truck anyway? Something not good.
Oh. It's not on anymore.
No, it's not.
Stop. Make sure you stop.
What my time?
81:47. What's that? Spinning part? Try to start it.
Huh?
Ooh.
That's not good.
Oh no.
It's dead. Okay, so I don't really know what happened, but my fifth run, which felt good, felt really good. As soon as I was about to cross the line, I lost power. I lost everything. So Run GMC is no longer running GMC. That makes sense. So right now, we're just kind of waiting on my father-in-law, who I owe an intense debt to bring his car hauler down here and then limp it home. The general diagnosis right now is that it is the fuel pump, which if it is the fuel pump, then I mean, that's an easy fix. I can fix that. And you know, I just want to give a moment to like talk about the people here. The people here are awesome. As soon as my truck went down, I had like 3 or 4 people just kind of floating around and looking at it like, oh, what's wrong? And trying to figure it out. And Ernie Daigle, the BMW man, was the one who I'm pretty sure correctly diagnosed it, and they helped me push it out of, because it was technically on the grid and dead and kind of in the way. I got as far out of the way as I could, but you know, yeah, I mean, everybody helped me load everything back up, and I'm about to go get something to eat. I'm starving, guys. So thanks to everyone at Sowella SCCA for being so freaking awesome. And yeah. This isn't the last of Run GMC. Oh.
No smoke.
So I just want to take a moment. I was talking to everybody about how cool, yeah, you guys helped me out with, so thank you. I'd give you a hug, but you're all smelly and wet.
I don't want to smoke. You're welcome.
I'm hungry.
Thanks for